Your father dies, and by the next morning, you're in control of a billion-dollar company. No warning, no transition, just power, and a room full of people who don't think you deserve it. At the funeral, no one's really looking at him. They're watching you, executives, investors, partners, all thinking the same thing. How long before he loses it? That night, the lawyer hands you the file, ownership, control, everything, and one note from your father. Not everyone in that room is on your side. You walk into your first meeting. No one speaks. They're not welcoming you. They're measuring you, waiting to see if you break. A major deal is on the table. Safe, profitable, expected. Everyone wants your approval. You pause. Then you shut it down, just like that. A week later, that same company collapses. Billions wiped out. And suddenly, they're not questioning you anymore. They're paying attention. Your name starts showing up everywhere. Interviews, headlines, market reports. Youngest strategist to outperform expectations. You're not just in control now. You're visible. Then one night, a message appears. No name, no number, just one line. You're sitting in a chair people kill for. Deals start falling apart. People stop returning calls. Numbers don't add up anymore. This isn't random. Someone's moving against you. And the worst part, they're not outside the company. They're already inside, in meetings, in decisions, watching you. So you test it. You create a fake opportunity, high value, limited access. Only a few people know. If it leaks, you'll know exactly who did it. Nothing happens. Days go by. You start thinking you were wrong. And then, everything hits at once. The deal goes public. Markets react instantly. Stock drops. Investors panic. You lose billions in hours. But now, you have your answer. You call everyone in. No anger, no shouting, just facts. And one name. It's your father's closest partner, the man who helped build everything. He doesn't deny it, just looks at you and says, "You weren't supposed to keep this." Now you understand the game. This was never about money. It was about control. And now you have to decide. Do you remove him or learn from him? Because in this world, you don't get second chances. You either take control or someone takes it from you. So the real question is, would you survive this? The room goes completely silent. No one moves. No one speaks. Even the people who doubted you don't know what to say anymore. Because now, the truth is out. And everyone in that room just felt it. You don't raise your voice. You don't show anger. You just look at him, calm, controlled, like you've been expecting this all along. And that silence, it hits harder than anything you could say. Because deep down, you already knew something was wrong. You just needed proof. And now you have it. He didn't just betray you. He exposed himself in front of everyone. And just like that, the power in the room shifts. The same people who doubted you before are now watching you differently, more carefully, more seriously. For the first time, they're not questioning your decisions anymore. They're not waiting for you to fail. Now, they're trying to understand you because fear just replaced doubt. But fear alone isn't enough. Fear doesn't build control, and control is the only thing that matters now. Because if you don't take it, someone else will. You realize something important in that moment. This was never just business. It was always about power. Who has it? And who's willing to take it? Right now, you have a choice. You can end him here, destroy everything he built with one decision, and no one in the room would stop you. Or you can do something smarter, something colder, something he wouldn't expect. Because reacting is easy, but controlling the outcome, that's power. Because now you understand the game. This isn't about emotions. This isn't about loyalty. This is about survival. And in this world, only the smartest player stays. So instead of reacting, you plan. Every move, every step, every consequence. Because one wrong decision, and everything falls apart. And then you make your move. Not loud, not emotional, just precise. Exactly how your father would have done it. In one decision, you remove him from everything. No arguments, no second chances, just a clean, silent end. And just like that, the biggest threat is gone.